Prešov region is one of the most undeveloped regions in European Union. The unemployment in our region is higher than in the other regions. Yet people who have not given in and found a sense of business inside of them live here.
Začať podnikať som sa rozhodla preto, lebo deti sú mojím snom a práca s deťmi je moja parketa.
We focus on e-learning solutions and developing software applications for customers' needs, and I believe it will pay back.
Running a business is also about a strong will, overcoming difficulties, communication.
Celkové to hodnotím však ako obrovskú skúsenosť práce s ľuďmi a zároveň si človek robí sondu, aký je záujem o to, v čom chce podnikať.
On a positive side, I think the best thing to do business is that you are master of your own time.
If the business goes well, you become a successful person. You get an overall understanding of the matters. You lie in the sun, but you still have to work.
Materská škôlka Mamajačik začínala s 2 deťmi. Bol to párik, chlapček a dievčatko. Karolinka a Jakubko. Tieto detičky sú s nami naďalej. Momentálne máme 22 detí.
Despite being in a business for only 1 month, I think I have one strong business partner, and I already created a network of people that I can contact and I can rely on, and I think this is great that you have people around you that you can move your business in the right direction.
For example, besides school, I have a part-time job at the theater. I translate documents. Everybody has to start working firstly.
Kto sa rozhodne podnikať, mal by si vybrať ten obor, v ktorom je doma, kde je špeciálne na to vybavený a vedomosťami, skúsenosťami.
If you have an idea, don't be afraid. It's just if you are focused and determined enough, I think you will succeed. I'm happy.
The difficult conditions cannot discourage us. The success is only up to us. I live in Prešov region and I am thinking of becoming a businessman. What about you?